So I think our initial involvement in the site came probably a year before we actually started. And then subsequent to that conversation, we helped with some construction budgeting. The house was perched up about 7 or 8 feet, and the site was then filled 7 or 8 feet, but not in such a way that you would ever know.
This project included large meadow areas that were seeded, 3 different varieties of granite and bluestone paving, very large variety of tree material. The stone walls to the exterior of the property were freestanding single-stack stone walls. It actually is a style that many of the people in Little Compton and other areas that are similar to this are what they're looking for on their sites. There's a drywall near the basketball court that is a double-stacked drywall, and there's also a granite wall that has a cement base and is set in cement. The granite that was used on that wall came in slabs, and all the stone in that wall was hand-fashioned, split with feathers and wedges, and chiseled with carbide chisels and hammers. There was a requirement that there be through stones through that wall every, I believe, 10 feet, which means that the structure of the wall was made stronger by the stone carrying from front to back. I actually went away on vacation for about 8 days during the end of this project, near the end, and we had 250 tons of stone delivered to the site, natural stone, and in a matter of 4 days, our guys had laid 350 linear feet of dry stack stone wall. That was just the border wall that was on the west side of the property. There are probably another 800 linear feet of wall on the site. The client was very happy with these walls.